Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can draw an arrow in Canva, and there will be three methods that I'm going to demonstrate, from easy to customizable. So the easiest way to get an arrow is really by just going to the element section, and then you can search for arrow, and you can navigate to the graphic section. That usually will give you plenty of really cool arrows that you could implement to your design. And sometimes they could be customized as well. For example, this arrow is orange and I could change the color to something else, and it's very useful to make my design to look more relevant and better. So that is the first method. The second method is by literally drawing an arrow. So if you have a stylus, you could draw an arrow properly in Canva. You can navigate to the draw section right here and select the tool that you want to use to draw an arrow. For example, I'm going to select this pen, and let's set the color to be white, and I could just start drawing an arrow. So something like that. It's not a perfect arrow because I don't have a stylus, but if you do have a stylus, that's usually going to make it easier to generate or draw a proper arrow. But I personally prefer the third method. So let me remove this picture first, and we are going to move on to the third method, which is easier for me. So first, let's navigate to the element section again, go to shapes, and of course here there are some arrows that you could create, but I want to create my custom arrows. So I'm going to start with a line, and yeah, this is the line, and I'm going to increase the weight a little bit. I'm going to enable run on points. Let's make it slightly longer, and after that I'm going to insert this triangle. I'm going to change the color to white, then rotate it to about 90 degrees, make it smaller, put it here, and also I'm going to navigate to elements again, search for this. This is the shape that I want to put. Click on it again, change the color, and then I'm going to put it here, resize it a bit, and we got this really nice arrow design that you won't find anywhere. It's an arrow that customizable. This is my arrow that I designed on Canva. This is not you cannot find it anywhere on the template or the shapes that is available in Canva. You have to design it on your own. So there's the beauty of this technique. You can customize the look of the arrow, or you can even use this heart shape if you want. I think that is very popular in movies. There's a arrow representing heart. So let's rotate this shape and let's put it here, and I'm going to make it a little, it doesn't look great honestly. Maybe I have to use a different color, something like that. So that's exactly how you can create an arrow in Canva. If you want this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.